In this video, I'll show you how you can connect WordPress with MailChimp email marketing software. And for this, at first I am going to install a plugin. So go to the plugins from left sidebar and click on add new plugin. In the search bar, search for a plugin named Fluent Forms. Here is the plugin. Install Fluent Forms and activate it. Now you can see there is a Fluent Forms available at the left sidebar. So I'm going to click on the Fluent Forms, and as you can see, I have no form available because I haven't created one. And right now we are going to create a form, and we will connect that form with MailChimp so that whenever someone sign up or someone subscribe using that form, the subscribers identity passed to the MailChimp. So click on create here to create your first form and choose blank form. Name your form. So I'm going to write subs form. Now go to the container section and drag and drop a 3-column container here. Okay, now go to the general fields, and in the first container add the name fields. In the second container add the email fields, and in the third container add something like custom. And we actually don't need 3-column container, we can use 2-column container actually. So I'm going to delete this, and on the container I can use 2-column container. So in the first container add the name, in the second container add email. Okay, and for the submit button, customize the submit button like it's in center, and from advanced options or button style, choose custom and give the width as 100% so it's look nice. Now I want to connect MailChimp with this form. So go to the settings and integrations and marketing and CRM integration and configure. We are not seeing any marketing and CRM integration because we haven't turned on the MailChimp module. So I'm going to go configure module, and from here turn on MailChimp. Go to the setting, and you will need to enter your API key here. This API key is provided by MailChimp. I'll show you how you can get this API key. So now go to MailChimp and go to account. Now from extras, click on API key. Here you will find all your API keys, and if you do not have one, just create an API key by clicking on this button. I already have an API key and I'm going to copy this. So paste the API key here and save the settings. It will give you a success message. As you can see, MailChimp is connected successfully. So now go to your form which you created moment earlier. Go to the settings of the form and go to the marketing and CRM integration, and now we can see add new integration, and we can choose MailChimp feed. So name it, you can give anything, doesn't matter, it will do not have a rule within this, so you can name anything just to so that you can recognize you better. I'm going to name it subs feed. Choose a list from here. Okay, I have a default list. After creating the MailChimp account, you can create a list. If you go to MailChimp and go to audience and view contact. Okay, actually you can create more than one list with MailChimp, as you can see with this message. So you already have the max amount of audience allowed in the plan. So I'm using the free MailChimp. I'm using the free MailChimp account. So if you want more than one list, then you need to upgrade to a paid subscription. So I don't need that for this. So I'm going back to my website, and here we were. So I selected the list. I have only one list available. I selected it. Now in the email address field, you might guess what we are going to map. It's the email, user email. So for the address, we do not have any input. We need just the first name and last name. That's it. If you want to add a phone number, you can do so. So in that case, you need to go to the editor field, and from here you can add a phone number field which you can map with MailChimp very easily. So I don't need phone number right now. I just want the name and the email. Actually, I'm going to remove the last name. I just need the first name. Okay, I'm deselecting the last name, and now the first name and email. This is what I need to save the form. Again, I'm going to settings and integration, and marketing and CRM integration, and add new integration, which is MailChimp. So subs feed, choose the list, map the email, and now I don't need the last name. I only need the first name. So you can map to the interest group. This is an advanced feature of MailChimp, so you can create interest groups in MailChimp, and you can map with the interest group. For example, you have three categories: subscriber, buyer, and any other category, and you can create three different groups in MailChimp, and you can map into three different group. But this will require the pro version of the form plugin. So I'm not going to. I'll show this later in another video. So you can pass a tag so that you can customize your list. You can target your specific users according to tag. So you can give tag like whichever. If you are a lawyer, you can give a tag like divorce or criminal records or etc etc etc. So I'm not going to give any tag right now. I just want to connect the name and the email address. So you can enable the double opt-in. What it will do is whenever someone signed up, MailChimp will send an email to their inbox that did you really signed up? If yes, then click to the button below, and if they click to the button, they will be added to the list, and if they don't, the MailChimp will not add that contact into your list. So this is very important for GDPR, according to the GDPR law. So I don't need this right now. I'm going to create this feed. So here's my MailChimp feed is created. Now if we go to the form preview, and if I submit something like now go to your MailChimp audience and see whether right now it has only the default contacts. Refresh this page. Wow, here's our two contact. It's updated our subscribers. Okay, so I'm going to open the list. So the last contact we added is here. Okay, this is how you can connect WordPress with MailChimp. Now you can do some more customization. Copy the shortcode from here and go to a page. Go to the page section. Create a page. you can give a page name as you want, like home. You can have your content in those pages, so content, and at the bottom or at the end you can have the form. So search for shortcut blog. Inside the shortcut blog, paste the form shortcut, publish the page. Now view the page. So here's the form. Whenever user will get their name, email, and they submit the form, this contact will automatically sync with MailChimp. Thanks for watching this video.